How to get Neteller virtual card. Neteller is a digital wallet that allows users to send, receive, and store money online for payments, transfers, and trading. It's owned by PaySafe Group and commonly used in Forex, gaming transactions where fast and secure payments are needed. First, download Neteller application or go to Neteller website and log into your account with email and password. Then you can see the home page. On the left-hand side, you can see Net Plus card. Click on that option. After that, you can see this page. Then click on Virtual Card. Now, select the currency for your virtual card. You can choose any currency you prefer, such as USD or Euro. You can name your card however you prefer. You can also set your card limit. Then click on Go. And your card will be ready like this. That's it. Thanks for watching.